2 persons of interest in the Effortville killings are now in custody, while 6 more have been listed.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, 2 of the men identified as persons of interest in the recent spate of killings in Effortville, Clarendon are now in police custody. This following 48 hours of mayhem in the rural community last week. 5 people were killed and 2 others were injured following gun attacks on Thursday and Friday. Officials believe that the bloodletting was sparked by a dispute over a motorcycle.
3 men entered the community and started to ask persons for a bike that went missing. The first 2 men that were killed were accused of knowing where the bike is. Those persons were basically at their gate when the 3 men came up, robbed the persons there and asked about a bike. They were determined to find that bike. Basically, the mother who was there with her children came out on the veranda not recognizing what was happening and just questioned what was happening. The next thing you know, she was shot. She later died. It is really sad what happened, and as the police, we're going to be out looking for these men. We're not going to take this one lightly. Already we're trying our best to gather all the information that will be able to assist us in this investigation.
In a statement from the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Corporate Communications Unit, the police say following a series of targeted operations in the community in the hours after the killings, one of the men in question turned himself into the police on Friday, while another did the same on Saturday.
What was happening on the ground. I'm happy to say that we have a person of interest in this matter in custody, and we are following some other leads from the CIB team down here in Clarendon for some of the other persons who are involved in this. It's a very unfortunate situation, but that speaks to the volatile nature of things and this sort of senseless response of violence when things happen. We got a briefing from the team here, a comprehensive briefing about this, but also about other things that may be happening in Clarendon. We immediately pushed additional assets into Clarendon, and we're getting significant support from the Jamaica Defence Force also down here. And the combination of those things should bring things back on track and create a certain sense of calm and peace to Clarendon once again.
Meanwhile, the police have identified the following men as persons of interest in the matter. They are J. Wisdom, otherwise called King Solomon; Christopher Douglas, otherwise called Chickenback; Chevon Gidarsingh, otherwise called Mouta; Javier Collins, otherwise called J; Devon Blair, OC Avatar; and Colin Haughton, otherwise called Lava. The police believe these men can assist in their investigations. They are being requested to report to the nearest police station by noon on Monday, December 21, as investigations into the killings continue.
Again, we have these people in custody, but we get them in custody after they've done the act. And so, it's going to take a little bit more than just us to fix this, but we're going to do everything we can and put the necessary resources, the necessary operations, the necessary intelligence, so we can interrupt it as best as possible.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!